we're ready to do bunny math. So right now Bunny has 12, no, she has 14 cars. What's gonna happen if we add 4 cars? Let's find out. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 14 plus 4 is 18. That's bunny math. Let's try another bunny math with our parking lot. What do you think, Bunny? Yeah. So let's see. Right now, Bunny has 10 cars parked in her parking lot. 10 cars. So let's just add some cars. Okay? A whole bunch of cars. So how many cars do we have? Let's count them. Let's see. Let's see how many cars we have. We know that she has 10 cars parked, and we're going to add to them. We're going to add to those 10 cars. We're going to add, let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Looks like 13 cars, okay? Let's find out if we add 13 cars to it, what are we going to get? So let's park our cars. And let's see what 10 plus 13 is. Let's find out. Let's see if our bunny math will work. 10 plus 13 is 23. Hey, that's bunny math. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Have fun with your parking lots. Night.